Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Indian entertainment app known as Chingari. It's akin to TikTok which has been banned in India. In this video, I am going to show you how to use it, how to earn money and about its future. So let's begin without any further waste of time. First I will give you a short intro about this app. Chingari app was launched in November 2018 and its co-founder is Shumit Ghosh from Bangalore. He says that this app is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Similar to TikTok, Chingari provides entertaining short videos but also has a new feature known as news and games section. India banned the Chinese apps because that they were a threat to national security and user privacy, but this app has secure privacy. Let's get into the Play Store. Type Chingari. You can see guys, I have already downloaded. Let's look about it. So let's open Chingari app. So this is your video interface. Let's scroll down. Let's play some video.
Challenge. You have 10 seconds to change your look.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh my
1,
god.
0.
So there are some videos guys. Next I'll show you there is a news interface. Here you get many newses, which is good option to read. And next you have game zone where you can earn money. You have to play some games. Let's check this. Let's start. Oops. So the game has started guys. Let's play. This is your game section. You can earn it. So that was your game section guys. You can play and you can earn monies. Next I'll show you go for videos, and here is a creative option guys. To create any video you have to register first. Let's continue. So I have registered guys. Now let us look at the main option, and here you get the rewards balance where you play games and you earn money. It shows. And next you have search option. The app is under maintenance, that's why it's not working now. Next, sorry guys. Next you have WhatsApp status where you can share your videos or uploads, or you can save also. Next I'll show you guys. Next you have notification where you can on your notifications. Next you have profile settings. This is your where you can upload videos and see gallery and draft. Next you have rewards. It's not working guys, I think so app is under maintenance. Next you have game zone where I've already showed you. Just quit it. Next we have switch language where you can change your language. Next you have you can invite friend also guys by sharing this app. And with blogging, it's nothing but waste time. You have with blogging. Nothing guys. So that's all guys. So that was a full review about this app. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe button. Until then, stay tuned.